Hi everyone, good morning to all. Hope you all are well. So students, in our last science class, we conducted a seminar, right, about the cell. From that, we can understand cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, right children? And from that, we can conclude that cell is the structural and functional unit of a living thing, or an organism, right? And now I am going to discuss with you about the cell's number, cell's shape and cell size. Okay, so we can go through it. So students, cells vary in their number, shape and size. Based on the number, cells can be classified into two. That is unicellular and multicellular organism. Okay, unicellular and multicellular. What is unicellular and multicellular, children? Unicellular, the name itself, uni, only one cell is present in an organism, that is unicellular. That is, some organisms, they have only one cells in their body. It is made up of only one cell. So we can say example like amoeba, then protozoa, fungi. These all organisms are made up of only one cells, and egg of a hen, that also unicellular, only one cell we can see in egg of a hen. Then what about multicellular organism, children? Multicellular organism made by one or more cells. Okay, it is, we can see more than one cells in multicellular organism, more than one. And we can say example like human being is a multicellular organism. Then rat, elephant, frog, these also multicellular organisms. Okay, students, our human body is made up of many number of cells, trillions of cells. What is trillion, children? 1 trillion is equal to 1000 billion. What about 1 billion? 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. So you just think about it. How many cells are present in our human body? Okay, trillions of cells. Okay, and in egg of a hen or egg of an ostrich, only one cell is present. And amoeba like fungi, that's a unicellular. Clear all of you? Difference about the unicellular and multicellular organism? Okay, the next check about the shape of the cells. Students, shape of a cell that also varying from one cell to another. In amoeba, we cannot identify the cells of correct shape in amoeba because it has a projection in their body. So that's why that projection we call pseudopodia. In our 7th grade, we learned about the pseudopodia, right? It is a projection of body. And when they are moving from one place to another, its shape of the cell also changing. But in our human body, some cells, they have definite shape. We can check what all are they. Okay, RBC. Do you heard about RBC? Yes, right. That is red blood cells. It is a spherical in shape. Okay, spherical in shape. Then muscle cells. Muscle cells in human body, it is a spindle shape. Okay, spindle shape. Then neuron cells. Neuron cell, it is the longest cell in human body. Neuron cell. Okay, neuron cell, that is shape, it is a long and branched. Okay, these all are the differences in shape. Clear all of you? So in a unicellular organism, they don't have a specific shape in their cells, but in multicellular organism, cells have a definite shape. Okay, RBC spherical in shape, neuron long and branched cells. Okay, so from this we can understand one general knowledge question also. Which is the longest cell in human body? That is nerve cells or neuron. Okay, and next we can check about the size of the cell. Most of the cells, they are microscopic. We cannot see through our naked eyes. Okay, so it is very, very, very small. We have to use microscope for identifying the cells. Okay, then with bacteria, we can see the smallest cell, that is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. Very, very smallest one. We cannot see through our naked eyes. Okay, then which is the largest cell, children? Size. What about the size of largest cell? That is 170 long and 130 breadth. Okay, that is egg of an ostrich. So egg of an ostrich is the largest cell in the world. Okay, So now you can understand which is the longest cell in human body, that is neuron cell, and which is the largest cell in world. Okay. So in this section we discussed about unicellular organism, microcellular organism, and about the shapes of cell, then size of cell. So all should have to read the chapter at least 3 times. Okay. And we can meet in our next class. Thank you.